Dr. Henry, 7 patients have died at Delta Hospital due to COVID-19 since September 16th when the outbreak was declared there. How could 18 patients and 17 staff members become infected, given all the layers of COVID controls in place in a place like a healthcare setting?
Yeah, that is a question, and it has been a very challenging outbreak again. Like often happens, it's unrecognized cases that spread that cause the biggest challenge in our healthcare system, and we've seen this in some other healthcare facilities as well. So there's a number of different factors that have led to the spread at Delta Hospital, but tragically it has, as you said, involved 7 people who've died. There's ongoing transmission that happened in a number of different settings to healthcare workers and between healthcare workers. So that is something that Fraser Health is working closely with Delta Hospital on, and it is a very challenging outbreak for sure.
Tina, do you have a follow-up?
Yes, please. We understand the outbreak is contained to the 2nd floor and the entire hospital is closed to new admissions to protect patients. Is doing that the right way to stop the spread of the virus at the Delta Hospital or hospitals in general? Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. We want to reduce the number of people that are in the facility so the potential of exposure is reduced. But I think the other important thing to recognize is that there's been quite a lot of healthcare workers who've been exposed, and many of the as well who are now off and self-isolating because of those exposures. So there's the cases that are positive, and then there's the people that they've been around. And this is something that we've seen in other healthcare settings, that PPE is worn appropriately in carrying in patient care areas, but sometimes we are not as good at keeping that up when we're in our office setting or in a staff only setting. So it right now, part of the challenge is staffing healthcare workers who are home self-isolating because of exposures. So the emergency department is open, but the hospital is closed for admissions right now.